Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all are having a good day. I am Manob'S, your speaker today. I came here before you to address one of the major human violations that people of Bangladesh face in their everyday life but ignores to talk about. To be exact, today I am going to uphold the hidden corruptions in between our daily lives and why it is utmost necessary for us to call for an action. People buy services and commodities at a set price to satisfy their boundless demands. But what if the item and services purchased by you are discovered to be of poor quality, overpriced and measured insufficiently? In such cases, buyers frequently feel misguided by the manufacturing companies who have supplied their goods and services rather than being satisfied. Consumer knowledge is very much important in this case. My dear audience, just say for a cause that you bought a product worth 20 taka. From the basic consumer human rights, you are bound to get a product worth 20 taka or the exact amount of product in grams or kgs that company is offering to you. But in reality, the amount of materials that you are getting or buying are questionable. In relation to this question, I purposefully did an experiment. I bought 5 packets of chips from 5 different manufacturing companies. I weighted them over a precise measuring scale to find out products' actual weight. Astonishingly, I found out that 4 among 5 products are offering 5 to 6 grams less in their amount. This is a lot to excuse. Moreover, 2 companies among them are claiming 20% extra in their chips. Ironically, these were also less in the amount. This personal experimentation of mine provided a valid example of the continuous deception that we are facing in our everyday life. Now the question remains, will you all be easy with this if same thing happens with you regarding you and your loved ones within your health? We all take medicines to get cured when we fall in sick. Just imagine for once that the same corruption is happening with you and your family and regarding your health. Will you still be stay silent or will you still stay silent? Moreover, based on the available statistics, there have been reports of consumer rights violation in Bangladesh in recent years. For an example, according to 2020 report by Bangladesh Business News, the Consumer Association of Bangladesh, known as CAB, received over 6,000 complaints of consumer rights violations in 2019 alone. These complaints were related to items such as substandard products, frauds, and commodity exemplants, and etc. Additionally, a report of Bangladesh Institute of Development Studies showed that Bangladesh faced several challenges in products fraud and overcharging business. Lastly, for the end of my presentation, I want to say that importance of teaching us about the consumer quality of pricing cannot be ignored. We have to educate ourselves within the technological improvements and that we face continuously within the introduction of sophisticated and technological devices within our market. This not only provides customers with a broad range of difficulties, but also these do not protect them from the magnitude of various problems which are very much quick. So what we have to do, we have to strive for a purpose, for our family's safety. Do not compromise with your or your loved one's safety. Always report your inquiries to the consumer rights and use protection when you see such injustice within the society. You can also use hashtags like no injustice, my money, my right, no compromise in your personal social media while resisting to any social injustice seen. You can also use various challenging different exhibitions in social media relating when you see different kinds of injustice relating to this matter. And for last, thank you for listening. I wish all of you for having a great day and a healthy life. Manob'S signing off.